Hi everyone, Matt, Curfman, and Oliver here from Richmond Brothers, and it is the early part of December, and we are checking in for another edition of Matt's Minutes. Oliver just wants to say that he had a lot of Thanksgiving treats, and he hopes that you all had a really nice, relaxing Thanksgiving holiday as well. We are grateful for having the opportunity to serve you. We're grateful for having the opportunity to work with you and help guide you no matter what the world throws in our path from a financial perspective. Thanks for your help, Oliver. So a couple of things coming up here in December. The Federal Reserve is set to meet again, and there's speculation on both sides whether the Fed just stays the course and does not change rates. Also speculation that the Fed does continue on a rate lowering path. The reason that there is speculation or thoughts that they might not do anything is there was delayed reports during the government shutdown. So not sure that all the data is available to make that decision. So in general, it feels to us like the trend, if you look into later this year and into 2026, is that the Fed will keep moving in a lowering rate stance, which is good for borrowers and bad for savers. You would expect to continue to see money market rates, CD rates, things of that continue to come down as that trickles through. One other item for the end of the year, we've sent out a video or a letter on this already, but just remember if you have a non-qualified account, what I mean by that is non-IRA, so an individual, a joint, a trust account, for example, that is the one type of account where if you have gains or losses or dividends, that your account doesn't protect you from those taxes. So to the extent that you might have realized, which means there was a sale at some point in the year where it captured a gain, just make sure you're checking out your December or your November statement right on your Fidelity monthly statements, and those are just getting published right now. On either page 2 or 3 of your non-retirement account, you'll see a realized gain and loss section, or you can just log into your Fidelity account online and see it as well. Only matters for your non-qualified accounts, and we just want to make sure you're aware of where that stands if you have that type of account, and that way you can share it with your tax preparer, just so if there's any year-end tax planning that needs to be looked at, that can be taken care of. So those are the main things. In December, we do have a local Richmond Brothers holiday event coming up hosted at our office, and we're actually going to do some virtual events for those of you out of town as well. And if you have any questions, as always, we're here to help guide and serve you no matter what the world throws in our way. So thank you for tuning in, and wishing you all a great start to the month of December.